on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Strings by Ian Dior featuring Gunna. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I'm Ian Dior featuring Gunna throat punch you in the face. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song's in standard tuning and you are going to capo up to the first fret. As always, if you need the guitar tab for this, I will have it in the video description, so if you need that, once you get done with the video, jump in the video description, it's there for you. The picking pattern for this song is pretty simple. You're going to pick your D string open, and then you're going to hammer on to the third fret on the D string. And you can hammer on or you can just pick it. Doesn't matter, up to you. I like the sound of it hammering on. And then second fret on your G string, pull off to open. And then you go back to that third fret on the D. Like I said, you don't have to hammer on or pull off. You can. I like the sound of the hammer on though. So open D to 3 on D, 2 on G to open, back to 3 on D. And then you're gonna go 1 on A, open on D, 3 on D. 1 on A, open on D, 3 on D, and then 3 on A, 2 on D, open on G. That's just basically the start of a C chord. So A, open on D, 3 on D, 3 on A, 2 on D, open on G. And then it starts all over and that just repeats throughout the entire song. So starting from the top, very slowly, it looks like this. Like I said, that does just repeat throughout the entire song. You can just play that and you'll be fine. There is one more little guitar part that kind of happens when the singing starts, and what they're doing is they're keeping the first part the same. That stays the exact same. Then they're quickly picking the B string and then hammering on to 1. And then they're going 3 on G, 2 on G, 3 on G. So slowly it looks like. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.